Hi, my name is Lance Chi. I'm the safety officer for State Parks. I'm here doing safety training, actually forklift operator certification for San Diego District. It's a big deal, especially in CAL OSHA's eyes, but we're doing this to keep our employees safe and also to make sure that we're in compliance with CAL OSHA. So today's training is part two of a two-series training. The first one was on teams. We go through the standards and best practices, and today we're doing the evaluation part. And we have four people doing this today, and everyone's doing a great job. Again, this is to make sure that our employees are doing the right way when they're operating forklifts. Today's my last day here. I spent the last 2 days in San Clemente District, and today is my third day on this trip before I head back to headquarters. But super happy to be here. Thank you for the invite.